Okay, so it's November 9th, 2019, and we're at Hanson Dime Complex at the American Heroes Helicopter Show. And look who I'm here. I'm here with Mike Nobriga,
And
little
Chris
Mikey.
hasn't changed a bit.
Haven't changed. Lost a little bit of weight. But since you saw me, I'm probably fat.
Your videos are the same.
Yes, so you are attached to who now?
Bravo Company.
So still Bravo Company Warhawks? Unbelievable. Oh, he's in Delta. All right, yeah, Delta Force. So we got an old bike model. You're going to tell me what year this was manufactured?
17.
Because I was trying to look for the identity plate and I couldn't find it.
No, it's not good.
So how many more years do you think you're going to end up doing in the Guard? 10 more years.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And remember my old saying was the Boeing Corporation did that study that for every year you work past the age of 50 years old, you deduct 2 years off your lifespan. But Jack Worthington is close to 80 years old, so I don't know and he's still working. So all right, so from the California National Guard.